Okay, so this all comes out. That's another story. It's not difficult. If you're handy at all, you'll figure it out. That's not what I want to talk about. I want to talk about this. Very noisy at startup, and just and then it settles in, and then very noisy at shutdown. And here's the reason. I'm 99% sure. This blower wheel takes the hot air, blows it out. That centerpiece is metal. It's like a tube or something. It's all part of, and it's threaded, it's all part of the blower wheel. But as you can see, it's become detached. So when the motor torques this on startup, it's all loose and it makes a crazy sound. And to be honest, it's not spinning this very efficiently. And that's why we're getting heat buildup also on the top of our dryer. So you're supposed to be able to spin this out, and when you spin it out by putting a socket on there, the center is supposed to spin also. It doesn't, obviously. We just talked about that. So I ordered a new one. I'm going to have to cut this one off somehow and not ruin the threads on that rod, and then spin this metal piece off. I'll do that by grabbing hold back here of this nut and hanging onto that. And they say that's how you do it anyways when you put a new one on. But we're not replacing it because it has broken blades or something. We're replacing it because the center is shot. It's become detached. So there you go. I think that's our problem. Didn't hurt to replace the other parts we did, kind of like a tune-up. So should run like new. We'll find out 2 days from Amazon. Thanks.